Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The network of networks. The Internet is an informal term for the worldwide communication networks of computers. The Internet is used to send information quickly between computers around the world. In other words, the Internet is a network of networks. Internet is used by billions of people worldwide. Countless people helped develop it, but the person most often credited with its invention is the computer scientist Lawrence Roberts. The Internet is used for many things, such as electronic mail, online chat, file transfer, and the interlinked web pages and other documents of the World Wide Web. The most used service on the Internet is the World Wide Web, which is also called the web. The www or the web is the part of the Internet that contains websites and web pages. It was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee. The software to see the World Wide Web is called a web browser. One also needs a connection to the Internet. The second biggest use of the Internet is to send and receive email. Email is private and goes from one user to another. Instant messaging is similar to email but allows two or more people to chat with each other much faster. Social networking websites such as Facebook and Twitter have become popular over the last few years. People now spend a large amount of their time online, keeping in touch with each other through these websites. One of the best and most common ways of finding information on the web is through the use of search engines such as Google and Bing. Google is currently the most popular search engine, receiving hundreds of millions of queries every day.